Madam, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
Good. You see, I pleaded to Almighty God to give me a female child that will take care of me when I get older. And God did by giving you to me. I thanked him so much for what he has done for me and other members of the family. Listen, your brothers are out there struggling to make money, to make ends meet. And by the special grace of God, they will make money and make us proud. Your mother died after your birth. It was a painful one. And that is why I am suffering today. No one helps me. But at the same time, what did I do? But I have to move on. And I want you to carry this pure water and start selling, so that we can be able to raise your common entrance examination fee. You pass, you get into secondary school. Now I know you are brilliant. And your elder brothers are struggling over there. They are going to make us proud. You are also going to make me proud. I am proud of you. That's why I'm always happy when I look at you. You look like your mother. Please, my dear, do not be angry. Just take it easy. I know you will always make me proud.
Okay, Papa.
So, make good money. Hey, yeah.
I know that God will surely bless us.
Amen, my daughter. Thank you. Good markets. Plenty money. Ada. Oh. I don't know if it's not something else. God,
my friend, she has an accident, though she was knocked by the car.
I know my daughter.
She's dead.
My only daughter.
She's dead.
Is dead.
Yes.
What are you doing for that? Stop.
Boys, Papa, I love this bond.
Thank you, Papa.
You see, let this bond never cut. Any day anyone tries to cut this bond, we begin to have problems.
Thank you so much. We can never cut, Papa.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Keep it up.
Papa, he's my younger one now.
Where is Adam?
She went out. She's inside, yeah? She's inside. What she should be inside, Papa. So nobody. See, Papa, see. One would have kissed you. See. Hey, play on. Papa, what is this now? Please don't do this to us now, Papa, please. Please now, Papa. Papa! Johnny! Papa, brother! Johnny, come. Papa is coming shout. Come here, give me Carlo. Papa, please, Papa, please now. Please don't do this. Papa, please now. Papa, please now. What is this? This is how come? Get from me. I don't have any money. I don't have any money too. Okay, let's collect 200 naira from Uncle to bring up. Sit down. Okay, get the bottle, get the bottle, please, fast. Get the bottle. Poverty shall never be well with you. Just we don't really have money to put in. I don't know. This is your name. Okay, where is it? Okay. Jump. Help you with that one now, fast. Don't follow.
Where did I go wrong? Eh? Where did you go wrong or where did Papa go wrong? Hey, tell me now. What type of life is this? Are we going to sit here and watch our only father die just like that? Eh? How many times have we gone to the hospital to plead, to beg them to treat Papa, but yet they refuse because we don't have money to pay? Okay, look at what Uncle Dogu told us the last time we begged for money. He called us riffraffs, that we were thieves. Are we going to continue like this?
Wait, Tony. I told you God has forsaken us. You don't need to ask these questions. What have we done? Eh? People insult us everywhere.
No, sorry.
Tony. I think I have an idea of what we'll do. I'll talk to you later about it.
Yeah.
Okay, go. We must make money.
Papa, take this thing now. Eh? Take it. Eh? Okay, so what type of life is this? See, I'm tired though. I'm tired of all this. Eh? The hospital refused to treat Papa because we don't have money. Are we going to continue like this? Tony, it's not the hospital's fault. It is not their fault. It is God. God has forsaken us. God has forsaken us.
God has not forsaken.
Why are we this rejected? Why are we this rejected? Look at Papa. I cannot do anything. I'm just helpless. Look at my father. Look at me. Look at me. I cannot have the strength. What have you done? What is this?
Papa is stealing blood. Papa is stealing blood.
Oh God, what is all this now? What is all this? Eh? Not again. And where are you going to?
I don't know. Let me see.
Oh, you are in lady before.
Titus, please, I want to see you. Leave. evening.
Good evening, Tony.
Titus, good evening. Titus, please, I need your help. Yes, my father is dying. He's coughing out blood. See, I just need you to help me with money.
Tony, I know that is the reason why you are here. I even thought you are here to pay me back the old debt you people are owing me. Eh? I can't give you any money. As long as you are talking about money, I can't give you any money now.
Titus, please. Please, I beg of you, please. My brother and I, we are financially capacitated right now. See, there's this land there we want to clear. I swear, if I clear this land now, we'll get money. I will pay you back. Just help me.
Same story. Same story again, Tony. This is the same story you told me last week. Like you people are clearing land and you're going to pay me.
Yes.
I even thought you came here to pay me the debt you people are owing me. I don't know that you're here to borrow another money. I don't have any money to give to you, Tony, please. I don't have any money to... See, just take your father, find a way and take your father to the hospital. I can't give you any money. I don't think I have money.
I don't have now. If I have money, will I come here? I'm talking about my father here. Do you want my father to die? Please now. Please.
You're trying to threaten him, yeah. Please. I can't give you any money now. I don't have any money to give to you.
Titus, please now. Please see. Please now. That's the only father I have.
Stop.
I will pay you. Please, anything I will do. Anything I do for you. Please.
I can't help you, Tony. Just go. Leave
Titus, please now.
Please leave. Tony, please leave.
I can't go now. Do you want my father to die? I can't. Wait, Titus, please.
Just go.
What type of problem is this now? Huh? Papa, honestly, we know that your health is not getting better. But then there are certain things that we need to know. Papa, what is happening to us? Eh? Is it anyone we offended? Or did you offend anybody? Eh? What is happening? Is it the message that is playing us? Tell us! Eh? Let's go this okay. Just look at us, Papa, what is it that you've not done? Tell me, what is it? We have done everything, all types of jobs, just to be financially stable in this house, Papa. Nothing is showing for him. If I go out there, I come back with nothing. If he goes out there, he comes back with nothing, Papa. What is happening? Is there anyone you offended? Tell us! I don't want to know.
Something I wanted to tell you people.
Hey, Papa, get us now. Okay, Papa, see, just Papa, see it, eh? We are all here. Hey, where are you going to listen, Papa? Just please, eh?
Just calm down.
Papa, we are calm. Just tell us. We are calm. See, Papa, just say it. Anyhow, we'll take it. Just say it. Papa, don't go. Papa, don't tell you. Papa,
I'm really bothered. What happened? Do you know that for over 4 days now, I've not gone to see Kingsley? Since he lost his father, I've only gone there to see him once. And since that time, I've not gone to see. It's not fair now. I think it's better for me to always be there for him, comfort him, encourage him, be by his side. You know, he's a very emotional person. And I think, Christabel, you should also be there for Tony too.
You say? What do you say?
Didn't you hear me?
Tony, I asked to give me money to buy body spray and he refused.
Christabel!
Why should I go and see him?
Are you out of your mind?
Meaning?
How can you be asking Tony to give you money to buy just ordinary perfume, knowing fully that he just lost his father and is really going through critical situations now?
Am I the one that I killed his father?
Please calm down, Christabel.
I heard what
life is not like that. How can you be demanding for that at this critical situation? You know what those two guys are going through.
Babe, I used money to maintain my skin. So if he cannot afford it, let him go.
Hey! Christabel.
Yes?
Christabel. How many times did I call?
I don't know.
Now I want to ask you a question. Do you really love Tony?
See, let me tell you. Love without money is nothing. I think you win it. What's money there?
Brother Kingsley, are you happy? tell me, are you happy? Do you like the way we are living? Do you like it? You would have allowed me to do it. I wanted to sacrifice myself so that we can get all this poverty. We can live a better life. You will not understand. You are my younger one. You will not understand. What do you understand by rituals and sacrifice? Please let me do it. Let me do it. You've been through so much for me, and I just want to help you, brother. Let me do it. I said no, let me do it. Let me do it. I said I'm not doing it. It's not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Before Papa died, I promised him I was going to take care of you. And this is the time. Let me take care of you. Let me do it.
Congratulations, brave men. For you have successfully completed your ritual cycles. I assure you, your lineage shall be remembered well. The ritual sacrifice I carried out is not of blood. Love is the pillar that upholds this ritual between you and Abu. You must do things in love and accord. Neither will any of you harbor hatred. There you break this oath. Doom and misery will awaken your lives. You must come to appreciate Abogri with sacrifice annually. Unknown account must another year hear this. Hey! Dike muna poka muna wite. You must remember, you are the sacrificial lamb and must not die for success. For no matter how hard you try, it shall be in vain. Your destiny has been rotten like vegetables. Your lucky stars have been blinded in a secret rain. For your brother's future to be brightened. So, go in peace and live in peace. Enjoy your wealth. Congratulations.
Lucia!
Christabel!
Lucia!
What's the problem? Lucia! So you're shouting at me?
Guess what?
What's the problem?
I saw Kingsley and Anthony throwing money at the village square. Yes!
Are you serious?
Yes. If you see the kind of flashy car, guys, I was so shocked.
Hey! Tell me something!
I'm serious.
Are you sure what they're saying?
I'm serious.
Did you really see them?
Yes! I saw them! I saw them!
Good! I said it!
Saw them.
I said it! Oh, this God, you can never fail. Yes. I knew it. I knew that Kingsley and Tony, that one day they must make it.
You said
they
it.
must make it. I said it. I finished drinking. You see, no? Drinking. Kingsley. Pick up. Hello? Hello? Honey? Yeah, it's me, Lucia. Sweetheart. I can't believe you are the one calling me right now. Guess what? I and Christabel will just finish talking about you right now. Yes, yes. She told me. Yes. Okay, honey. Where are you right now? Okay, at that village square. Okay, we should come. Myself and Christabel. Oh, honey, I've really missed you. Honestly, I can't wait to see you. Alright. Okay. We're coming, okay. Yes. Yeah, we're coming now. Just wait. In the next few minutes, I assure you, you'll see the both of us now. Alright, take care. Bye. Hey,
Listen, we should start coming now. Yes! Enough enjoyment. Hey! Hey! Let's go.
I told them we would money. You see this? It's already down. Where's opener? This is it. The first time, this money. I knew one day we were going to make it.
How did this happen?
By then you will not understand.
Are you serious?
You will not understand.
I knew
bro. You want me to tell them? Should I tell them? But let them hear it. See, baby. You see, there's this foreign company we met. Yeah. You know, they gave us this contract. But when the money, dropped, I was like, my brother, is this real? Is it real? He said, I said, no. This money is not real. $15 million. Jesus! The very first hit.
15
I was like,
million.
Listen to me. I was like, bro, this one are fake. This one are fake. Let us make one or two transactions. Let us convert this into Naira first. Even if it's $1 to Naira. No.
I knew it. I knew that one day your story will turn around.
Yes.
I knew it.
Thank you for being with me, huh? Thank you for being there with me. Yes, as we talk with you girls, we have bought a building already. See, that car parked there. One of the cars we bought.
One of the cars?
Yes, and we bought a house.
Which of them?
Look at that one. That Jeep
the
there.
one behind.
No, that Jeep there. You see it?
This is
one of our cars, So we decided that today, for the fact that you girls has been with us, for the fact that you guys have stood with us when it was rough, when it was rougher, and when it was roughest.
I knew God was going to do it.
See, I just ordered some barbecue, okay? The short while to be ready, huh?
Please, I can't wait. I knew God was going to do it.
Sure.
I knew it.
Your prayers really work, baby.
Yes. You said it.
Babe, see, there's power in money.
There's power in money.
I'm not hearing you. There is power in money. Someone said there's power in money.
There is power in money.
But I don't do this. Well, let's go. So good life, prosperity, and more money. Let me toast with you.
Let's go
Shut up, man. Let me give you some time. See, I want to spoil your woman. Yeah? Your woman is not woman. Baby, this is for you. Honest. Who's this?
What is this?
Do you know if I hadn't gotten this money, another man would have taken this now? I would have blasted you, Closing Jackson. I would have blasted you. It's not possible, but oh no. Let me teach us to the I bless you. I bless you with money. Thank God I have this finally. Fuck in there. Oh, this is money. Chop money, baby. Chop money. It's on there. Oh, joy is not coming. Joy has come already. Joy has come, man. I said joy has come, man. Hey, let me shock you down. Have you seen dollars before? Have you seen dollars before? I said, have you seen dollars before? Have you seen dollars before? Have you seen dollars before? Have you seen dollars? Oh, mommy. Oh, it's good for the corner. Money Money is good! Money is good! Baby, come here. Wait. At this point, DJ down. I want to speak on behalf of I am my brother now.
Yes.
You know, ladies, having been there for us when the days were rough, having been there for us in prayers, having been there for us, brought through the thick and thin, we have decided to make this gathering a family. In that case, I ask, sweetheart, will you marry me? Will you marry him? Will you marry him? Yeah? Hey, she in that case, let us toast.
No, let's do
your father.
Yes.
It's okay. Take it up to your father. And you take it up to your father too. Okay, DJ.
Yes, so you did the referee, right?
Yes, are you guys ready?
We're good.
I'll win him.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh yeah, get ready. Once I blow the whistle.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
2.
Okay. Okay. One touch.
Okay, show you. I want to make banana soup.
Cookie. Please, I want to make use of this gas now.
Just wait, let me finish the cooking. I'm not done yet.
This is my husband's kitchen. If you want to cook, go to your own husband's kitchen and cook. Please, I want to make use of this gas now.
Your husband's kitchen?
Yes.
What has gotten over you?
I want to make use of it, is what I said.
I don't get it.
You don't get me?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. This is my husband's kitchen. You cannot give me that order.
Your husband's kitchen? I should leave?
Yes. I said leave. See this one. You think you can go here and be giving me that order? Nonsense.
What is it? You don't look happy.
How can I be happy? How? Seriously, I will not take this
I said you should come and sit down.
Honey, I keep saying this to you.
let us leave this house. I can't tolerate any nonsense from anyone in this house again. Imagine Christabel dragging the kitchen with me, asking me to leave the kitchen, that the kitchen belongs to her and her husband.
What?
What nonsense. I will not continue to tolerate this kind of attitude from her again. Tell your brother, because when next she tries it again, she will no longer find it funny with me.
Why is this woman trying to be a Jezebel in this house? Why? What has gotten into this girl? Huh? The other time it was an embarrassment because she saw me playing with the security. What type of rubbish is this?
And we will continue to take this rubbish until you will listen to me. This is not okay. It's no longer okay. You are the cause. Because I remember vividly that I've always told you about this over and over and over again. Let us leave this house. We can make it. We can survive without them. We don't need them. Honey, I've told you.
I will talk to my mother about it. Please. You have to, at least for this moment, need to touch until I speak with my brother.
Until when? Honey, you keep saying this over and over and over. Honestly, I am tired of this whole thing. I am tired. I am tired.
I understand the way you feel, okay? But for the sake of love, just try to tolerate for now.
You better talk to her. I will just go and meet Tony, the husband, and tell him to talk to his wife. When next she tries that again.
I will take care of that.
Miraculously,
yeah.
I'm going to the market.
Hold on. You're going to the market?
Yes.
Please, I want you to get me the 10,000 naira worth of data. I love being online.
Data again? Was it not yesterday I saw data for you? You can't be requesting data every day by day. Brother Kensele, is it not wasting of money?
What did you just say?
Is it not wasting of money?
Anyway, I don't have anything to tell you. I have given my instructions. So you get to the market and get any of the POS around, do 10,000 naira worth of data.
Okay, no problem. I have heard you. I will solve you that. Like I told you before, I'm going to the market.
What is this woman insinuating? Is this not an indirect insult that this woman just gave to me? Okay, I'll talk to Tony about it. Just imagine. Come on, 10,000 naira data. She's losing her now. It's okay.
How long? Baby.
Oh.
Welcome.
Sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No, you look good.
I went to the market to get some food stuff. I'm so tired.
I can see that. You're stressed. Baby, you look good. I love this your care you put in.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Babe.
Yep.
Is it not good for you to find something for your brother than to stay at home, pressing phone, doing an unnecessary...
Stop, Eddie, stop. Stop! Are you okay? I asked you a question. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're not. Do you realize you're talking about my other brother?
Yes, I know.
I don't joke with him. Yes, it means everything to me. That's my only sibling and the only brother I have in life, so I don't want you to. Sure, let this be the first and the last. I said, yeah, let me talk. What's good for him? What are you saying? What is good for him? Am I complaining? Did I complain to you? Have I ever complained that the money my brother is asking for is too much? Or now money I get to give to my brother? So who are you to tell me how my brother is living?
As you get it to this next time.
It has gotten more than it. It has passed it. Woman, I don't want to hear about this issue in this house. You spoke. Take you. You don't need to be upstairs. What was that? Am I complaining? That's how I was complaining. Huh? Is it your money? What are you saying?
Stop! You see, I'm see, let me tell you. Let me tell you. If you get 1/6 here, I will remove one of my white bear for you. And if you win me, you will change. I will wear a uniform. In fact, I will be at this gate. Wear my own. In fact, you will be marrying my wife. I will start the gate. Let's play.
Let me you see him. Ah, you see him? 6-1. Give me.
Hey, Magnus, come here. I said come here.
Okay, Neko. What did he do?
I said follow me. Are you not the one Pankori?
I'm asking, what is it? What have I done to this woman? What exactly have I done to my kid's brother's wife? Eh? This woman will not allow me to drink water and drop cup. See where I'm catching for now with the security man. She has come to disturb me again. Eh?
Magnus, how many times have I warned you not to be playing the dope with that man?
Oh, ma'am, you know, he's my order.
Oga on my foot. How dare you?
Sorry.
Is it what we employ you here? Is that what you are here to do?
No, ma'am.
Don't try it next time.
I will never try it.
Go and clean that car for me.
The car?
Yes.
Okay.
You're welcome. It's like your friend has left.
Yes, he just left.
That's okay. Let's not very much. Where I'm coming from now to somebody. That's ginger there. Oh, God. Hope your wife prepared something. See, I don't want any problem. I go there now. One talk or the other. Hope there's food in the house for me to eat.
But that's okay. She cooked. Just go in there. She'll fix you something.
Alright. What's your balance? 1.2 million, isn't it? I'll forward it to you this evening. It's okay. Please, remember, latest design in town. It's okay, I'll talk to you later. Honey? How are you? Honey, are you done cooking now? I'm really famished now.
It's almost ready.
I was actually discussing with my designer. I need to change my wardrobe.
Change your wardrobe?
That's it.
On whose money?
Tony, of course.
Tony, why? You know what, honey? How many times do I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you this? For how long will you continue to rely on Tony each time you have a need? For how long will we continue to rely on your brother Each time we have a need of our own. For how long?
Please stop this.
I will not stop because I am no longer finding it for you. If you have a need, you go to your brother. If I have a need, I will also run to you and you run to your brother. If I have to buy things on my own, I do not have my privacy anymore. Neither do you. So do we have to continue to rely on Tony for everything? Each time we always have a need of our own. For how long, honey?
Please stop. Stop. Let's say. Whatever I have to do, Tony's money is my money.
No!
So forget where it's coming from.
I will not take it. You see? You see the reason Christabel always talks to you both? She talks to you as if you are nothing. She talks to us as if we are rags. She has no atom of respect anymore because of this. I have told you several. Let's look for our own source of income without relying on them. Let's look for something to do whereby we can always have money coming in without your brother supporting us. I can no longer condone this anymore. Christabel talks to you anyhow she likes. She has no atom of respect. Look at what she did to you the other day. Look at how she disrespected you before our own get man. For how long? Look at my business. I don't know what is happening to it anymore. I don't know if it's because of her rude attitude. Are you sure that girl is not in witchcraft? What? Yes! I will say that because I don't know what is happening to my boutique business anymore. I don't have customers the way I used to. Things don't flow anymore. I hardly make sales. My stocks are dry. I don't know what is happening. Even to your own business. I think the only way out is to pack out of this house.
I'm coming to my brother's wife. You calling her a witch. Please, don't, because this is a Christian girl. You know, she cannot be a witch. Regarding to this house, please. This house is large enough to come. Even a village, talk about just 2 families. Eh? Come on, don't just go there. Don't go there at all. I've told you, Tony's house is my house. My house is Tony's house. Whatever Tony has is ours.
How can Tony's house be your own house? How? How possible is that? Come on, honey. Can't you think? Do you ever sit back to think that this your brother you trusted so much can turn against you, can turn against us tomorrow? They can even throw us out of this house. I am not saying he's not your brother. I am not saying he's going to do that. But I want you to have a second thought. Anything can happen.
Please, let me tell you something. Eh? Every other brothers can turn back at their brothers, but Tony can never turn his back at me. Just to know that. See, please, I do not want to rush your thought. This discussion is over. I'm really famished and I want to freshen up. Please.
I don't get this. Are you sure this is ordinary? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Something is wrong.
Magnus, how many times have I warned you?
Sorry. Sit down there.
Magnus,
Ma?
come with me.
Magnus, sit down. I am your Oga.
I said follow me, Magnus.
I said sit down.
Magnus!
Last time I have tolerated your excessive. What rubbish? How dare you? How dare you? See, if not for one thing, I would have beaten you black and blue now. Idiot. Come on, get out from here.
Whatever.
Go and cook. That's what you know how to do. Whatever. Hello. See, I'm gonna sit down. Let's have to go. We should even have food. Come on. Let's just we still chop that food. I swear, even salty. Drop. High five.
There's not supposed to be fitting. Maybe by evening I'll send you the first 10 days. Use that to fix yourself up. But I'm only doing this because you're my friend. Let me call you. Are you going out? Listen, you're dressed late. You look good.
See, but what is it? Tony, I knew yesterday you were very tired. I would have complained this to you yesterday. Could you believe I was playing Ludo with our security man yesterday? Your wife came and ordered him to. I insisted she rained literally of abuses on me. If you see the way she was talking to me, that I'm lazy, that I'm jobless, that I'm here just to eat, that I just sleep and wake up. She told me all sorts of rubbish yesterday. Jesus. One her.
But I can see.
I said one her, that's all.
You mean to tell me Extabel insulted you? Wait, but don't work out on me now, we can talk about it. What's wrong with Extabel? Extabel! My other brother yesterday.
Your brother? I don't say anything to him.
Oh really? But you insulted my elder brother yesterday. Why playing the door with the gate man? Why?
I did not insult him.
Oh really?
I did not.
Oh, you did not. See, let me warn you. Let me give you a piece of advice today. Let this be the first and the last. You will open your gutters, your mouth to insult my brother Kingston again. I will make myself clear. He's not your mate and I am not your mate. Don't you ever. You want to beat my lips, or tell him again. Woman, what I will do to you? I said what I will do to you. You won't believe me. Look at your face. I called this meeting here because of my wife's recent behavior. Honestly, I don't know when she started this character. But I love you so much, and there's nothing that can come to love of us. So I want to apologize for you. On behalf of my wife, please, forgive us. Forgive her. I don't know when she started this character.
He's the cause.
What? Talk to your wife. You better talk to her now.
Please, talk to her. Will you keep quiet? Sit down. I said sit. What is wrong with you? What has come over you for crying out loud? What is wrong with you? What's the problem? You're the reason we're here for the first place and you're doing the same thing again. But see, I'm sorry. I want to apologize on your behalf. Please see.
No. Just man. Come on. You don't do that. Don't talk. See, let me tell you something. We are honestly going to live in peace. Hence, your wife is going to stay in peace with us.
Thank you. She will. But okay. So on that note, I want us to leave us one. I remember when your wife here used to bring food for us.
Oh, okay. You still remember, right?
I do.
I remember.
I do. That's the reason I called this meeting. See, I want us to continue in love. Let's be as one. Live as one. The happy moment. Those joy. So in that regard, Brother Kingsley, I have a suggestion. We would like to open another business for you again.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Really?
Yeah.
cement, boutique, whatever you want to open it. Yeah, brother. But because the money is there, just name it. Brother?
Honey?
Brother Kingsley?
Don't worry, I'll talk to you.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This man is very less.
How dare you call my husband?
Are you mad?
What is doing?
Brother Kingsley? Brother Kingsley, why do you walk up like that?
Are you out of senses? What did you just say in there? That you start a business for me? You know the bond we are into. I want to start a business for you.
Oh, Brother Kingsley, you cannot continue to stay idle indoor now. Just go out there, do something. See, I'm willing to give you 10 million, even 20. Just start off something.
Wait, Tony. Did you just say I stay idle? You want to give me 10 million, 20 million, 100 million? The ones I've started, okay, where's the end? Start a business today, tomorrow it folds. You want to waste money, right? See, I cannot go there and suffer again for money because you know it will not work and it's not working. Am I saying? See, you know the money. You make the money while I eat the money. You make money while I eat money. What rubbish?
I'm not complaining. Am I complaining? Just people start talking. I don't care.
I don't care at all.
You don't care?
What? Excuse me.
But I guess.
Bro, you don't talk as if you don't know what's happening.
Yes, please, I want to make use of my husband's laptop.
I didn't hear you. What did you just say?
I said I want to make use of my husband's laptop.
Your husband's laptop?
Yes.
I'm making use of my brother's laptop.
All you do is just to play a game. Do you have any work to do? Please, I want to make use of it. I said I want to make use of it. I'm talking to you.
If you finish barking like a dog, you leave.
I said I want to make use of my husband's laptop.
Are you out of your senses? Huh? Are you out of your senses? Huh? Honestly, if not for what you have done, what's the event this time now? Come on, get out of this place. Get out!
Whatever.
What else do you know? Rather while this nyash you used to deceive my brother. Senseless idiot. I don't even know why Tony married this girl. Huh? I was the one that went and proposed to. Huh? But beautiful game. I'm playing now.
Hey, that night was terrible. You can imagine the girl. The girl got drunk and messed up my car. This is the reason I told you. You seem to get married. With all this, there are women but no wives. What are you talking about now? Gee, I said there are women.
Hello, Brother Kingsley. Yes. I got your text. Okay, money for your upkeep, right? I'll send you 5 million. But I don't have to thank you. Thank you too. What is mine is yours. I'll do it now. Okay, brother. You see, my brother means the whole world to me. I don't joke with him. And yes, you won't believe that my wife was insulting my elder brother just because he was using my own laptop. When she told me, I wanted to pounce on her. I wanted to tell her that.
Shut up, Tony! I mean, sometimes you talk like a baby. Come on. What the fuck are you talking? What the hell are you talking to me? I mean, why is it always my elder brother, my brother? Why are you babysitting an old man with grey hair?
What is my brother for crying out loud? Why are you telling me what my babysitting?
Dump that brother thing, Tony. Dump that brother thing. I mean, how can you keep an old man in your house in the name of being a brother? You got married in your house in the name of being a brother. He's practically living under your care in the name of being a brother. He calls you practically even, I believe, to buy his boxes in the name of being a brother. Who does that? Now let me educate you. You think you're doing well for him, you're enlightening the fire of brotherhood, bond of blood. Let me tell you, you're making him useless. You're making him lazy. I mean, how can an old man like that stay there without doing nothing? That was how, the last time I came there, he was there, just going to play, what is it called? Who does that if not riffraffs? At that, he was even arguing over a kind of hero I was drinking that he did not, that I know he did not afford. Man, come off it, Tony. Come off it. You know what? I think it's that time you woke up. Now, make him see situations. Because this man you're talking about is a man with his own family responsibility that is not getting any young. Like I know, his wife is heavily on that she will deliver anytime soon. And I really expect that once she gives birth, Tony, my wife's baby niece pampers, your nephew or your niece needs what is it called? The SMS good. Tony, please, we need to buy a bag of rice. Tony, we need to buy. God, come of it. That is not good. That is not good for you, brother. If you're not ashamed of yourself, I am ashamed of you. And let me tell you something. You're not just making your family shameless. No disrespect to your brother or your family, but I'm telling you the radical truth. You're not just making your brother shameless for yourself, your family. Because people are even beginning to wonder, what kind of a brother is this that stays at home playing alone while the brother goes making the money? And not just him alone, with a wife that is safely pregnant. Let me tell you the truth, Tony. What you just told me now about your brother Tifu with your wife on laptop, it sounds ridiculous. I mean, how can a full-grown man not afford a gadget like laptop? That he's dragging a laptop with his younger brother's wife. That's ridiculous. That led to this argument. Now, in this case, your wife is right, your brother is wrong. Take it or leave it. And remember that great men, they do not wait a minute for their wife to be insulted before taking action. You fight for them. Great men, real men, fight for their wife. They protect their wife from anybody, including your blood and me, your friend. Wake up, brother. This is true. I can't take this, please. I can see you've taken enough. Even your forehead is sweating. But think about what I told you. Let me get myself drunk. I'll give you just one more lesson. Maybe it will make you get some sense. Bye, guys.
Meaning what? Can't you see I'm about to go out?
I don't understand.
As you can see, I'm about to go for activity. Do you have a problem with that?
See me see wahala in my own husband's house with the car I want to use.
Come on, give me that key. Give me one. What's you doing?
Chibo! Mommy! How dare you!
Just tell me, what is the use of money without peace? What is the use of money without love and unity? What is the essence of the sacrifice when there is no love and unity again between I and my brother? All is vanity. All is vanity.
Change the color of this house, so I like it. I like it.
I know what you love. That's not enough. 2 shots, please. Please. Ross, at least avoid your husband.
Yes.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Wait. See now, come back, please. But I talk to your wife now. But you can't leave now. You can't go. Let me tell you. Wife's SSC is getting out of hand. I can no longer bear it anymore. I know, brother. See, but I talk to your wife now. Please don't do this. I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna talk to her. She will never insult you again. Never in this life. Please. So that you can't leave. You can't go.
But it's too late.
You're my only sibling I have. By blood. But I remember. You can't leave now.
Remember what?
What we did now. You know what we did. You know what I'm talking about.
I don't care about whatever you think.
Please. Mercy. Please. But I beg you. Don't remember that.
What is it now?
What Papa said. We should never leave each other. We should always stay close.
I don't care.
But I beg of you, please. You can't leave.
What is you keeping you?
You're my only brother. You're my sibling.
Let's go, please. This insult is too much.
But I
don't care.
But please.
Everything is getting out.
But I won't do it again.
Rubbish.
I don't want everything to die. God. Extra door was got me to trouble. Imagine Brother Kingsley and his wife live in this house. They are in trouble. Just imagine the repercussion. Hey! Women. I need to call extra exorcists.
I must cut back excuses. Any billions. I'm coming, you see me now. I'm with the package. Just see when they just stay there. Stay there and wait for me. Yeah? I'm coming to shut down. Please, no! No! No!
Who's after you?
Nothing.
Who's after you, honey?
Nothing.
What's the problem?
Nothing. Wait, stay.
Who's after you, honey?
Wait. See.
What's the problem?
Nothing big.
Who's after you, honey? You're scaring me.
It's a prank.
What kind of prank is this?
It's a prank,
You're very funny.
It's a prank.
I'm scared. Yes, this is very strange. The other day I saw my husband running and shouting, and he said that it was a prank. Yes, I don't believe it's a prank. I'm no more comfortable with him. I'm afraid I don't know what to do again. Yes. Okay, I should come over. Okay, I'm coming.
Kadiri, the seed you planted have grown to thorns beneath your feet. Now your wrath burns like fire. Disobedience give birth to retribution and a great consequence. Your vengeance is about to come upon them. You have been patient, Abogiri. Unleash your doom upon them, Abogiri. Unleash your doom upon them, Abogiri! Because the great Abogiri have rejected your sacrifice. Now you shall bear the consequences of your actions. Remember, you are being warned before we back it on this journey. Now, leave.
What's wrong? Can't we do anything? What's wrong?
Anything, there is nothing I can do about this. Leave at once. Leave before the gods strike you dead.
What about foul?
Go! Leave at once!
But the way you go, it's come and beg him now. You're just living like that.
I said leave! But the blue, he that fetches to good of an invested firewood should not blame the lizard if he visits you as a visitor. The meat that has fat